Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Allocative efficiency questions are quick once you lock the definition, because we only need the condition for the last unit produced, then the right choice. Allocative efficiency, which means society gets the amount where the value consumers place on the last unit matches the resource cost of making it. In microeconomics, consumers' value for that last unit is shown by price, and the producer's extra cost for one more unit is marginal cost, so set those equal. That gives the rule price equals marginal cost for the last unit produced, so the correct choice is option A, nice and clean. Well done! Option A. Scan now. The trap is rushing into random equalities. The rule is trust the given definition and check each step.